Hey guys, so this month we get to celebrate 18 years in business. So 18 years ago, Ryan Anthony's Heating and Air Conditioning was established. So I think it's pretty safe to say that after 18 years, we could be considered proven. I think that's a long enough time to be considered a proven, honest, trustworthy, and reliable company servicing Long Island. So the main goal, the number one goal, was to become the most trusted household name in Long Island, while at the same time becoming an industry leader. All right, so another goal of mine was to be able to offer you guys more services. So other than heating and air conditioning, I now partnered up with a longtime friend of mine, Bob, who I actually used to work for when I was 16, hanging sheetrock and doing trim work, and we created Long Island Building and Contracting Consultants. All right, so another goal of ours was to be able to be in a position where we could give back to our community. So in 2023, the Ryan Anthony Head Start Fund was established, where myself, along with many other industry leaders, meet with our future generation monthly and mentor them. We also went ahead and started a podcast. It's called Inside the Minds of Success. And what we do is we bring in other leaders of industry, managers, foremen, business owners, who either have gone to college or haven't gone to college, to discuss where they started and some of the sequences that got them to where they are today. Keep in mind, in my experience, I'm not college educated. I find, in my personal experience, that experience and surrounding yourself with the right people and mentors is what's going to lead you to success. All right, so when you're deciding on who to use for your next gas, oil, heating repair, or installation, or air conditioning, or home renovation, bathrooms, kitchens, dormers, extensions, remember, we are Ryan Anthony's Heating and Air Conditioning Service. We are also Long Island Building and Contracting Consultants, and we are here to provide top quality service for all you hardworking Long Islanders out there, because that's who we are and that's who we care about.